Is a great website for college research, and I'm going to highlight a few of the best features that Niche has to offer in terms of searching. So you can start by finding a college in a certain location up here. So you can type in a state, you can type in particular schools, and we're going to specifically look at colleges in this search. And as you go down, what you can see is the filtering system here. You can highlight the college type, areas of study, the majors that you're interested in, cost, student body size, sports, as well as specialties and test scores, the admissions process, and any religious affiliation as well. And once you are able to narrow down, let's go ahead and click on public four-year universities, and let's say I'm interested in electrical engineering, and I can go down here to location as well. So if I go to the top and put in Florida, that'll narrow it down as well. And this will give me the search results for public universities in Florida that offer electrical engineering. And you can find great information if you click on University of South Florida, for instance. And we go in here. On the left-hand side, we'll give you a table of contents of all the really helpful areas there that you can review, or you can just scroll straight through. So definitely recommend this resource as you go through your college research process.